Have you ever touched your refrigerator, washing machine, or microwave and felt a small electric shock? Many people ignore it, but even a small shock is a serious warning. I'll explain 6 hidden reasons why household appliances give electric shock and easy fixes you should know before someone gets hurt. Let's start. Usually, this shock is caused by leakage current. That means electricity is escaping from inside the appliance and reaching the metal body. This happens when insulation fails, moisture enters, earthing is missing. Your body becomes the path to ground, and that's dangerous. This is the #1 cause. If the appliance is not properly earthed, leakage current has nowhere to go. It stays on the metal body. When you touch it, you feel the shock. Easy fix. Use a 3-pin plug, check earthing continuity, connect appliance only to a properly earthed socket. Never cut or ignore the earth wire. Over time, vibrations loosen wires, insulation cracks, live wire touches the metal body. This turns the appliance body live. Signs. Shock increases when barefoot. Shock is stronger on wet floor. Easy fix. Open the back panel. Check for damaged insulation. Re-insulate or replace wires. Common in water heaters, washing machines, ovens, electric irons. Inside the element, insulation breaks, current leaks to metal sheath. Result: mild shock at first, strong shock later. Easy fix. Test element with multimeter. Replace faulty element immediately. Never continue using a leaking heater. Water is electricity's best friend in a bad way. Moisture enters through, leaking pipes, condensation, humid environment. This causes tracking and leakage current. Common in refrigerators, washing machines, kitchen appliances. Easy fix. Dry internal parts, fix leaks, keep appliances in dry areas. Cheap extension boards are dangerous. Problems include loose contacts, broken insulation, wrong wire thickness. This causes voltage drop, leakage, shock risk. Easy fix. Replace damaged cords. Avoid extension boards for heavy appliances. Use direct wall socket. RCCB detects leakage current and cuts power instantly. Without it, shock continues. Appliance keeps running. Risk of fatal accident increases. Easy fix. Install RCCB 30 mA. Test RCCB monthly use with proper earthing. This is the best life-saving device. Simple test. Touch appliance with tester. Check earth continuity. Observe when shock occurs. If shock is present, stop using the appliance immediately. Never. Use appliances barefoot on wet floor. Ignore mild shocks. Bypass earthing or RCCB. Electric shock can be silent but deadly. These were 6 hidden reasons why appliances give electric shock. Most shocks start small, but end badly if ignored. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for real appliance repair knowledge, comment your appliance problem below. Stay safe. See you in the next video.